Start by removing the headrest. You will need to align the headrest cover next to the headrest. This will allow you to determine the position the headrest needs to be installed. Install your headrest cover and make sure you align the sides. And make sure you Velcro both sides to ensure a snug fit. Bottom cushion. Select the bottom cushion you want to install. Place cushion over seat and make sure it matches the cutouts and contours of the seat. Flip cushion over and undo all buckles. Flip over and place over seat, starting from front to back. And pushing straps between backrest and bottom cushion as shown. Don't forget to push the back flap in between the backrest and bottom cushion. Side panel. Use the provided tool to help push the seat cover in between the seat and side plastic panel. Most cars will have a small back flap that will need to be unhooked as shown. Go ahead and pull all straps and elastic bands to ensure a snug fit. Use the fork side of the tool provided to push all buckles to the front of the seat. Make sure you don't interfere with any wires under the seat. Buckle all straps to each other and pull tight to secure a snug fit. Backrest. Grab your back seat cover and align it with the stitching of your seat. If the airbag option was selected, you will have a cutout with a flap on the side of each back seat cover. Place seat cover over your seat and begin to slowly slide the cover down. Don't forget to fix the airbag flap on the side of the seat cover. Make sure you push down on cross, like cutting on the top of your seat cover. Push back flap and elastic bands through the bottom part of the backrest and bottom cushion. Pull on all elastic straps and connect them to the bottom of the seat cushion. Rehook the original car back flap and secure the back of the seat cover. Be sure to hook the S-hooks underneath the seat cushion. Lastly, go ahead and place your headrest back on. Repeat the same process on the other side. Bottom cushion. Make sure you align the stitching from the seat cover to the bottom cushion. Go ahead and flip seat cover over and undo all buckles. Now flip over seat cover and begin to install it from front to back. Push back flap and buckles in between the bottom seat cushion and backrest. Lift the seat to help in this process. Lift the bottom seat cushion all the way up and begin attaching all buckles. Pull tight to secure a snug fit. Make sure you don't miss a single buckle and work from one side all the way to the other. "60% back seat cover." Grab your back seat cover and align it with the stitching of your seat. Go ahead and unzip the back of the seat cover and undo the Velcro. Bring the seat forward to better help you place the seat cover over the back seat cushion. Don't forget to pull the seat belt and feed the seat cover through the seat belt and not over it. Go ahead and place the seat cover over the back seat cushion and make sure everything fits exactly the way you want it. Don't forget to push down on the cross, like cutting on the top of the seat cover. Push the bottom flap through the bottom of the back seat and bottom cushion as shown. Armrest and cup holder. Make sure you align the cover with the stitching of the cup holder. Go ahead and undo the Velcro and place your cover over the cup holder. Make sure to push the bottom flap back as shown. Go ahead and bring the seat all the way down and zip up the back of the seat cover. Don't forget to secure the seat cover by Velcroing the flaps together. Side panels. For the next step, be advised that you will have limited space to work with. Grab the panel you want to install, place it over, and start from top to bottom. You can use the slanted side of the tool provided to help you in this installation. Be sure to tuck the plastic tab between the upholstery of your car and the plastic on the side. Follow this step all the way around and make sure everything is exactly how you want it. Don't forget the bottom plastic tabs as well. Remember to use the slanted side of the tool for help in this process. "40% back seat cover." Go ahead and align stitching of the seat cover to that of the backrest as shown. Bring forward backrest and undo all Velcro from backrest seat cover. Place seat cover over your seat and begin to slowly slide the cover down. Don't forget to push down on cross-like cuttings at the top of the seat cover. Go ahead and push the back seat cover flaps through the back of the seat as shown. Bring the back seat forward and attach the bottom flap to the Velcro as shown. Lastly, place your headrest back on. You have successfully installed your CalTrend seat covers and are ready to be enjoyed.